Hey everybody, welcome to Frannie's Hair. Today I'm going to give you an update on Lisa by Envy. Okay, so I am wearing Lisa by Envy. She's an EnvyHair piece. She's 30% human hair, 70% heat-friendly fiber, and I did two reviews on her actually. I first reviewed her in a color called lighter red, and I knew I wanted to keep an EnvyHair piece, but I felt the lighter red was a tad too bright for my coloring, so I went back and I bought her in golden nutmeg, which I absolutely love. This is my husband's favorite wig. I've been wearing her a lot. A few things I've noticed. Number one, she doesn't tangle, and I don't know if that's the human hair piece that is helping with that. I've had heat-friendly wigs where they tangle much less. For example, Belle Tress's Santa Barbara, I did some updates on her. But this, I don't even think I've had any tangles, and if I have, it was very minor. I can't even remember it. All I do at night is comb her out and hang her up, and then I just put her on the next day. Somebody in a video did say to me, what happens when you wash her? And I said, good question. I'm going to go wash her now. So that's what I did. I washed her in Aesthetica shampoo and Aesthetica conditioner and hung her to dry. Then I took her off and combed her out. The style stayed. You can see that. I've done zero styling to her. I would say the only differences I noticed, one, I think she's a tad less shiny than she was before, and I'm going to put a picture up here before I washed her. And also the fibers feel, I would say, a little bit thicker and maybe a little bit more coarse than they did originally. Still, all in all, I love her. She feels great, and I think she still looks great. I'm going to continue to wear her and continue to update you. If you have an EnvyHair piece and you've had experience with EnvyHair over some period of time, I'd love to hear from you. So feel free to put things in the comments below to let us all know about how EnvyHair wears over time. She's still fairly new to me, so I will keep you updated as I wear her. She's a more expensive piece because of that human hair blend, so I want to make sure I give you as much information as possible. All right, that's the quick update. I hope you all are having a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.